Today we are making an Empress Gin Punch for Halloween. It is not your traditional spooky Halloween cocktail, but it is light and refreshing and pink and makes it perfect for the girls. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you're going to want to do, this is optional, but I personally really like making an ice ring for this punch. It's great because if you just add a bunch of ice to your punch, it'll melt and dilute your drink, where if you make an ice ring, it melts slower. And also you can add in flowers or lemon slices, pretty much anything you wanted. I added some roses to mine as well as some basil leaves, just, some things to make it pretty and cute. And you can just use a bundt pan, put it in your freezer the night before. The base of this drink is a French 75, but we made it pink and a little bit girlier by infusing it with rose flavor. So it adds a beautiful floral note to this drink. So the first thing I'm going to actually do is add in some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I have 1 cup of lemon juice. This adds a nice level of acidity as well as it makes the drink very refreshing. Next, to add some sweetness to our drink, and this is also where you get a lot of that rose flavor, is in our simple syrup. To make my rose infused simple syrup, all you need is 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar and about 5 to 10 dried rose petals. You let it simmer over medium to low heat for about 10 minutes until all the sugar has dissolved. Then you can take it off the heat, and I like to let it sit with the rose petals overnight or at least for 1 hour so the flavor really gets infused in. Then you can strain all your rose petals out and you have a beautiful rose infused simple syrup. So I'm going to be adding 1 cup of my simple syrup to my punch. And I know what you're thinking, it's not pink. Well, just wait. In the theme of making an Empress punch, we have some Empress gin. This is a Canadian gin and it is infused with elderflower as well as rose. So that's how you get this beautiful red pink color. But obviously if you can't find this gin, you can use regular gin. And if you do want this to be pink, you can just add in a drop of pink food coloring. But as I found this at Bevmo, I'm going to use this gin, and I have to say it's one of my favorite gins. Another fun fact, this gin is actually from the Empress Hotel in Victoria, Canada. And as my mom's Canadian, I have some Canadian pride. So let's add in 2 cups of our gin. And since this is getting diluted, it'll actually become more pink rather than red. And one more step, just to add a little bit of bubbliness, make it nice and light, I'm adding in some champagne. And this is also great if you're throwing a party and you notice your punch is starting to run low, just pop open another bottle of champagne and fill it up. Now I'm just going to add in 2 bottles of champagne. A lot of people in my videos have said that this is not champagne, this is technically California champagne, and I know champagne only comes from France, but get what you can afford. And it's a very nice price point. Ooh la la. Now, doesn't that look absolutely delicious? And I'm obsessed with this color. I know it's not spooky and Halloweeny, but it is so beautiful. And especially if you're going out on Halloween, I personally prefer to have a drink that's light and refreshing and isn't gonna weigh me down if I'm going to be dancing the night away. So this drink is perfect for that. And I have to say, this is a great Amazon find for when you're throwing a party. They're rose-shaped ice cubes and they look absolutely beautiful. I just put a little bit of food coloring as well as some edible glitter in my ice cubes so they have a nice sparkly effect. And now we can top it up with some of our Empress punch. Now I have to say, this is one of my most beautiful punches. It's absolutely stunning and I can't wait to try it because it is, even though Halloween is here, it's still like 95 degrees today. So this is exactly what I'm craving. This drink is so light, it's so refreshing. You can really taste the flavor of the rose gin as well as the infused simple syrup. So I think if you're having a little Galloween party, this is a great drink to serve. Also, if you would like to see some of my spookier cocktails, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a safe and happy Halloween. Cheers!
Happy